Hare Krishna to all the viewers of this video. You are in Hare Krishna Institute, and Hare Krishna Institute not only teaches English and skills, it even makes topper. And from 2013 when we started our institute to till now, we have made toppers. Topper in 2013, then from 2013 to till now 2020. So today I have some toppers here who are going to share their experience. So topper of 2019 and 2020 as well are with us. So now we are going to know their experience, and as Hare Krishna has given them not only support in their education but also emotionally, Hare Krishna has supported them. It has motivated them and always been with them to motivate them, to guide them, and to make them to do their best. So now I would like to introduce you to the topper of 2019 as well 2020. So topper of 2019, Miss Eshu Sahu is with us as well. Topper of 2020, Mr. KP is also with us. So we are going to know the experience of Miss Eshu Sahu first. She is gonna tell us that what has been her journey, what has been the role of this institute in her success.
Actually, this institute is just not an institute for me, and it has totally transformed my life. I want to explain the importance of this institute through an example. All the students are just like a seed, and they had already shown in the field by the environment or by the people around them. And as seed wants sunlight, mineral, water to grow, same a student want motivation, confidence, good mentor, good education system to grow and to become a successful person. And that's what all we are getting in Hare Krishna Institute. Hare Krishna Institute just not only give us English motivation but also totally transformed our life. It has made us from person to personality, and whatever we are getting here, we cannot explain all those things in just words, because these things are just out of the box, and we are getting all those things in such an infrastructure, in such a village, in such a town where we are living. We cannot even think of getting all those things in such a town. And before coming in this institute, I was really nothing. I wasn't able to speak in front of people, and I hadn't thought that I would be a district topper, and I would be able to get such type of percentage, and I would be able to top the district. I hadn't thought of doing all those things, but after coming in this institute, sir motivates me, and sir used to encourage me that you can do and you will be able to do if you will try hard. And sir's one quote which used to encourage me was, तुम्हें जीतना है हर हाल में हर काल में. Whenever I was demotivated, I used to think that yes, I have to do something. I need to prove all the peoples, and I need to prove all the peoples that girls can also do each and everything. And in this way, sir used to encourage me. And there was also one quote of sir, मंजिल मिले ना मिले ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, पर हम कोशिश ना करें ये तो गलत बात है. And whenever I feel demotivated that will I be able to get good percentage, I am not studying that much. There are a lot of people, there are a lot of students who are studying in Guna, who are studying in Ashok Nagar. Their school is very good and as compared to me. Then whenever I think this thing, I used to remember that quote, मंजिल मिले ना मिले ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, लेकिन हम कोशिश ना करें ये तो गलत बात है. Whenever I remember this quote, there was a motivation in me. And in this way, sir used to encourage me in every field, whether it would be related to 10th or whether it would be related to my life. I have decided my goal here. If I would not be able to come in this institute, I wasn't able to even decide my goal.
So I would like to know that imagining your life without this institute, means when you were not the part of this institute, how were you and how you would be if you would not be the part of this institute?
When I came in this institute when I was in 9th class, and when I was in 8th class, 7th class, I wasn't able to speak a single word in front of people. I was too shy, and I wasn't able to do anything, and I hadn't thought that I will be able to top district or I will be able to get such type of percentage. But not only me, but also all my classmates who came in this institute was able to get a lot of very good percentage, just like all my friends was able to get more than 90, 94, 95, 96, and all this is possible because of this institute. Here in every coaching we will be, they will teach us how to, they will just complete these syllabus, but here we know, we are able to understand how to represent our answer and what will be the impact of answer writing on the checker. In this way, sir used to guide us in everything. Sir used to focus on each and every student. In this way, sir means whatever sir is doing for us, we cannot even explain all those things in words. It is just out of the box which sir is doing for us.
So now let's meet to the topper of 2020, our recent topper who got 98% in 10th and achieved the tag of district topper. So I would like to know his experience, that what has been his experience, what encouraged him, what was the role of this institute in his life, and every time when new class come, means as it is 2020, so every time our version is updated things are provided to them. Our institute keep learning and keep providing a updated learning. So let's know that what was the role of this institute in his success. So I would like to call Mr. KP, who will share his experience, and we will be able to know that what has been his journey.
I could top the district because of such an institute. I'm a part of such an institute. And second thing which is very important, that I could get this percentage because I was the part of such an institute. And second thing, when I used to feel myself demotivated, at that time I used to come here, then I used to say to sir that I am facing this problem, and sir used to give me advice. And after that, when I am feeling so much demotivated, when I was in stress, then sir told me that you have to watch your regions. There were many regions that I have to top, and my friend used to criticize me. They used to say me that you can't become a topper, and they used to think that I'm not able to top the district, and I don't have these things which have the topper of 2019 had. So these things insist me to get a good percentage.
So many times mentally you would have needed motivation. There would be the time when you needed someone to guide you, someone to bring out you to from your confusions. Like many times we feel confused, we feel demotivated, and at that time there should be a mentor, there should be someone who would encourage us. So who was that person in your life, and how this institute brought that person to you?
The person who played a major role in my life, that is my life changer, Mr. Manish Sharma sir. He played as a role just like a captain in my life. As a captain played a role in a team. So he used to told me that you have to watch your condition, you have to watch your regions, and you have to give your best. You don't have to think about your seasons. You don't have to think that you are not able to top, or you have to give your best. And I gave my best. And when I was so much stressed at that time, the label came in my life that I was fully stressed at that time, and I didn't have any option. And I didn't have any option remained in my life. Then I asked sir simply reply me that you have to give your best, and I gave my best.
For further future, like whatever going to come next, you have planned something, and that has been the role of this institute is there in that. So I would like to know that what is the further strategy you are going to do, and how this institute is going to help you further.
So if I talk about my future, I think that my future is bright because I am coming here in such an institute. Here we are getting several things. Do you know, it is very easy to learn the question answer. It is very easy to write the question answer. But it was a very difficult task for me that I had no good handwriting also. But from here I learned that how to represent our question answer. I well know that how to represent, how to write in social or math also. And I well know that how I have to use diagram, chart, and where I use, and I could utilize this coaching very well. I hope in further also I will be able to do very big. I have chose a very good stream. I took the arts stream, and I hope I will be able to do something in my life because my decision is also very good, and that's all.
So, as you came to know about one of the magic which Hari Krishna Institute is doing for students, and let me clear you that a student from very small town who felt lack of guidance, who felt lack of someone, a mentor in his life, and he studied in government school. Then he went to Indore, he finished his study there, did a job in Goa, and came back just for guiding the students in his town, just for guiding those who were feeling same thing, because he didn't want his town as it was. He wanted to improve the condition of the town. He wanted the town to develop. He wanted the town to have something that would make the town unique, and that is our life changer, Mr. Manish sir. He always felt lack of guidance in his age when he was like us, but then he decided that we must not feel that thing. We must develop the best thing in us, and that's what he is providing to us. If today we are here able to speak in front of you, if today there are toppers in our town, if today our town is unique in a way, then that is just because of him. He has given a priceless thing to a very small town. Means people cannot expect this much of great result in a very very small town, which is Shadra, a small town of a very small district, Ashoknagar. So this is something unexpected and extraordinary. Thank you.